Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia 515, and now I'm gonna show you how to remove the battery from this device. To do it, you need to open the back cover. To open the back cover, you need to have the pin. So here, as you can see, we have the hole, and we need to insert the pin in this hole. And in this way we will open our device. Now in this way just take the cover off, and here we have the battery. To remove the battery, just press on the battery in this way and just take it out. That's it. To insert battery again, so here you need to pay attention to all these pins. As you can see here, we have 3 pins: plus, minus and 0. So just in this way, as you can see, in this way we have these 3 pins. So just in this way you need to insert the battery and press on it. Now close the cover. And press and hold on end button to enable your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.